Okay guys, this is my herbal
And I'm back. Okay, like I was saying, when you're drinking your herbal drinks, it's to heal the inside. A lot of people don't know that you have to heal the inside first. This is a must, because anything that has weakened your immune system and weakened the roots of your hair and the cuticles, you got to put something in you to heal everything, to strengthen and make your roots and cuticle strong again. Now that you know what to use to heal the insides, you got to heal the inside first. And a lot of people don't do this. I've been seeing a lot of videos, mainly a lot of them on TikTok, of people going to beauticians and they're just shaving it all off. Not talking about it, because apparently they don't know about this herbal drink that will heal the insides and boost the immune system and would make the hair strong again, take away that lifeless. You don't want to just work on the outside. You want to work on the inside first. You want to take away all of that that has made the hair lifeless and weak and just killed off. You don't want that. You don't want that. You want to strengthen everything on the inside first. Then you want to use something like this. This is called Essential Herbal Products. It has a number of things in it that will strengthen the hair, like wheat germ oil, castor oil, coconut oil. It also has a herbal hair conditioner in it. This is all natural stuff. It also has I have one that has a medicated herbal conditioner in it. But the thing about it is, you need something that's going to stimulate and put that extra keratin back into the hair. You need something that's going to coat the hair, going to go deep into the roots, into the cuticle, and strengthen. You need something that's going to coat the hair with every usage. Coat that hairline and make it strong. Also, you need something that's going to add extra growth. You're already going to be using your herbal your herbal drink, You're already going to be using your herbal drink that's going to heal the insides, boost your immune system, and heal and strengthen those cuticles and get everything, the roots, and get everything full of life again and strong. Work on the inside as well as the outside. But this right here, you can't go wrong. I started working on this in 91, and by 2008, I had perfected it. I've never had any complaints. Only complaint that I've ever had is a lot of people say they have to stop using it because it makes they relaxer not last long, because it makes the hair grow really fast. Another one is people who have hair that's already really coarse, that really thick, heavy hair. They use it, but they don't use it a lot, because this is going to coat your hair with every usage, every time you use it. And the most important thing, the best thing that I like about it is those people that are still relaxing. This stuff doesn't strip the hair where it makes it thin again. It stays strong and thick. That's what I love. It stays strong and thick. It does not take the thickness away after it has coated that hairline and made that hair swell and made the hair strong again. That relaxer, it doesn't strip it. It just makes it more fuller And it's the most beautiful style you'll ever see after the hair is relaxed and set, and they comb it out. The body is amazing because it constantly coats and thickens. Growth, you see growth within 3 weeks, and this is no lie. Anywhere from 3 to 3.5 inches. Depending on the person, I noticed in men it make it grow even faster because men hair grow faster than ours anyway. Don't talk about my scalp. I was getting ready to go to bed when I saw another video. I had said if I saw another one, I was going to make one. I don't care who get mad. I'm going to go on and tell you. Try something first before you go and get your hair shaved off. What made me step my game up and perfect my product is I worked for the sheriff department, and one of my sergeants, his father was very, very low sick. And this guy was really, really worried about his father. He was probably just as sick as his father was. I saw him one day, and he had always been the type of sergeant. His uniform was immaculate. His hair was always immaculate. He was just well put together because he was a sergeant. He had to, make an example for people under him. He came to work and had 3 complete circles in his head that was clean as my arm, no hair in it. And I had to ask him, I said, son, I don't disrespect you, and nothing, I don't disrespect people or nothing. But do you mind asking me, I'm gonna have to do this video, do you mind me asking you, what's going on with your hair? And he told me, he said, Miss Carter, I've been really sick because my father is really low sick. My hair fell out. I went to the dermatologist and they gave me all kinds of medicine. I spent all kinds of money. I said, say no more. I got you. I've been working since 1991 on something and I have perfected it. I got you. I brought him a jar. He started using it. He used it like I told him to use it. Every 3 days, massage them circles with this hair oil. I told him, I said, if you see any results in 3 or 4 days or in a week or whatever, don't call me. Don't call me until the end of the 3rd week, a complete 3 weeks. It wasn't even 3 weeks. I think it was like 2 weeks and a couple of days. I was coming down the escalator, and all of a sudden somebody ran and jumped on my back. I thought it was an inmate. I was ready to go. And it was him. Miss Carter, look at my hair, look at my hair. In those 3 spots, the hair was so thick and coarse. I told him, I said, now you need to go back and use it over your whole head because you got two different textures of hair here. You need to make the rest of your hair the same texture as the hair in those 3 spots. I said, did you brush like I told you? He said, I did everything you told me. I got it back. I said, guess what? You gonna keep it too. You're gonna keep it because you did everything I told you to do. He said, man, I sure appreciate you. I said, you don't owe me nothing. You don't owe me nothing. He started going in his pocket. I said, you don't owe me nothing. You tell everybody I did that. Man, when I tell you the whole sheriff department was running at me, from just him, I found out that half of the people in the jail had cancer and was wearing wigs. Yeah. People that was coming to me that I didn't even know had a wig on. Folk was coming. But I had to hit them with the herbal and tell them you got to heal your insides. You got to do some things. You got to give up some stuff too. You got to give up some stuff. How bad do you want it? But, yeah. That's my story, y'all. But I want y'all to think first before y'all go sit down just to shave my head. Heal your insides first. You got to heal your insides first. It's a must. You got to heal your insides first. You don't heal your inside and boost your metabolism. boost your immune system. Man, I think I'm sleepy. I can't even talk. What time is it? It is close to 12 o'clock. But anyway, you got to boost your immune system. You got to boost your immune system, cleanse your inside, heal your insides first, so you can heal the roots of your hair, take that stress off of the roots of your hair and your cuticles and heal and make everything lively again. Once you wake everything up and get it strong and lively again, then you're gonna see the results in your hair. And when you do that, I guess you can do it at the same time. You know what I'm saying? Hit it with this, bam. Yep. This right here, good for eczema. I had a lot of little children to come back and tell me their head don't itch no more, because see, they were scratching, and them fingernails will cut that hair up while they're scratching. It's good, this right here, because it's got that herbal conditioner in it. It will heal that eczema. Yeah, and see, another thing too about eczema, you gotta drink plenty of water. Yeah, you gotta drink plenty of water when you got eczema. That will minimize a lot of the irritation and it coming back and different things like that. And if all else fail, get you some Glover's Mane when it comes to eczema. Glover's Mane is the #1 healing of any kind of skin condition. Glover's. It's in a yellow and blue box. It don't smell good, but guess what? It do the trick immediately. You could take Glover's and put it on that stuff on the back of your neck. When the men get their hair cut and they had them bumps on the back of their neck. See, you gotta catch that when you feel just one. Like 1 or 2 bumps. Shampoo it real good with a mild soap. Rinse it real good, towel dry. Rub a little Glover's on there. You can get rid of that in 3 days, but see, a lot of men don't know no better. When you see them again, look like crunchy peanut butter on the back of their neck. Yeah. Y'all get y'all some Coffee Essential. Herbal products, man. I'm telling you, stop going getting your head shaved. It ain't necessary. I got you. Call me. CarterJulia65@yahoo.com. Julia CR100@gmail.com. Wix.com. Man, hit me up. I got you.
Hey guys, as y'all see, I was very tired in this video, but I had said if I saw another video of somebody getting their head shaved, I was going to make a video. But y'all like this video, share this video, and if you really like it, give it a thumbs up and hit that notification bell. It will help out a lot.